Well, so far it's been a tough week. Yesterday I just got 3 trades, 3 losses, and I didn't realize it was a holiday. I didn't check, so I gotta check more often. So I wouldn't have traded yesterday had I known, because I've learned my lesson on that. And today we're just starting off with 2 losses, so a little bit of a rough start. But that's the way it goes. Just gotta focus up and know that what you're doing works because you've tested it. I know what I'm doing works because I've tested it. And yeah, not every day's a sunny day. Sometimes it storms, but it doesn't storm forever. So yeah, really trying to focus up here and get me a win on the next trade so I can keep on going. I'm not looking to be out here on 3 losses. So I took the ES there as a speed tick. A late one though. It opened here and it was just hovering. So we got in a little late on the ES. That's okay. Good entry. And oil, we'll see what happens. Is pushing, but it's had a good big run up. Cleared the highs. But it is a little bit grindy this morning. Well, we got a little bit of a win on GC there. Oh, no, we got a win. Now, ES. Just waiting on that. Yeah. Oh, I didn't realize you guys were here. I didn't realize you guys were here. I was just talking to myself. Yeah, tough week. I didn't realize yesterday was a holiday, and I traded, and yeah, I just lost 3 trades, and that was it. So, but I didn't know. I knew it was a holiday here in Canada. They call it Family Day or something, but I didn't know it was the President's Day in the U.S. So the markets closed early, I think. I don't know. Yeah, but my rules are not to trade on holidays, and I traded, and it didn't go well, and that's why I don't trade on holidays. So, cheese me off. Yeah, yeah, yeah. And I even watched the live markets. They were the market opened, it dumped out, and then it just basically died off. So, no fun. Jesus. How's coffee doing? It keeps. Do you know what? Do you know that it pops up and it tells me that you play satisfactory and then you've got an award for it? Yeah, like on the side there where it shows like who's in the group and who's online. No, it's it says satisfactory. Most played 31 hours this week. Oh shit! I actually looked that up. Oh no! Hey, it keeps you out of trouble. Oh yeah, I did look it up online. Um, the game. Yeah, it looks all right. I mean, it's just a whatever, just a fun little game. Eh? You build it. The thing is to build a factory, right, and get it running on an alien planet. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Just to kick back and whatever. Do they have like? Is it like? Have you seen like? Um, I used to play a game called Roller Coaster Tycoon. So you would have like a theme park and you would build roller coasters or put them wherever, and then like people eventually there'd be problems. Like people would get mad or this or that. Is there like natural disasters or anything that happen to mess up your factory? That's funny. Oh yeah. Yeah. Yeah, yeah. Sometimes it's not always fun, like, run around trying to kill guys, and it's like stressful, eh? Sometimes it's nice to just chill. That's why I like, for me, Grand Theft Auto. Yeah. 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 I a little bit, yeah. 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 Yeah, I hear you though. Sometimes it's, yeah, just fun to relax rather than get so involved. Yeah. Yeah, I hear you. So if I play, I haven't played in a while, but Grand Theft Auto, sometimes we'll just go in and just drive a car around. That's it. Or fly a helicopter around, and just that's it. Yeah. 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 I seen little clips of them on YouTube. They're funny. Oh, they're funny. Wonder if they can make money off it. Well, some people do make money off the, like the YouTube videos and the Twitch streams. Well, maybe they're on house arrest and that's what they got to do until they got to go play it until their house arrest is over. Oh god. Yeah, I was just started talking. I guess you must have jumped in at the same time I started talking a little bit. Yeah. We got FOMC on Wednesday. I didn't realize till now. Yeah, well, it's a short week. Plus, it's FOMC. It might be a little bit weird of a week. And then February, and then we have options too that expire. We got what is that? Yeah. Well, I posted in the group there, but I didn't actually look too hard. But now I'm just like, oh, okay, well, let's look, see what's going on here. So, oh yeah, and the calendar tells me holidays too, so I should have friggin' looked. God damn it. So yeah, options stop trading on Friday, and then they expire Saturday, I guess. So yeah, it might be a little bit of a. It looks like the market's just. What is it doing anyways? Pull up a real daily chart or something. Are you gonna go in with? Are you gonna go gamble on the FOMC meeting? Yeah. 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 No, there's not. There's not. I think. I don't know. I think some people don't realize they can trade this time of day, or they don't think of it. Oh. Yeah. 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 They should do that. I know on Ninja Trader, I think you might have to do an add-on, but I can't remember. But don't they have some type of like it's like accelerated trail stop or like an exponential one? I think they do in some way. Where basically, yeah, yeah, Yeah. Yeah. Sometimes that's better. Okay, yeah. Yeah, I've played with strategies like that where they don't have a target, they just trail in case, like instead of like they'll trail like normal, but I'll have a target in mind, even for what I'm doing now. But the idea is that like instead of it hitting your target and maybe going past it real quick, it just trails. So I guess I don't do it for what I, but I've tried it for what I do in the instance where like it rips back up and it blows past your target by like even however much instead of it just getting you right out, it'll just follow it. So yeah, I don't know. I've had it work sometimes, but I don't do it anymore. But I like the idea of it, I guess. Yeah. Yeah. All right, well, I got my 3 losses, my net 3, so I'm out. Yeah, it's never fun. 2 days in a row. Oh well. No, no. Oh yeah. Yeah, it's all right. So yeah, I just looking back at my I just look back at my results and it all works out, but it's just in the moment it sucks. But yeah, over the over the course of a couple weeks or months, it's fine. But fuck. Yeah, yeah. Well, at least I live to fight another day. Some people, some people lose and they can't come back. Yeah, 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 Uh, say that again, Holy. There, I heard something about the market metrics. Bar replay? No, because it's Heikin-Ashi, and TradingView doesn't let you bar replay Heikin-Ashi for whatever silly reason. It's not on NinjaTrader. That's just yeah, that's just a TradingView thing. Whatever. So yeah, I'm playing around with it. Which one? Oh, loads. Oh, yeah, I downloaded it. I didn't try it. Yeah, I didn't try it. Well, because I got with my indicators, I have a bunch of stuff. So I have glass candlesticks, which are like basically, you can make them hollow, and then I have gradient bars, which I don't even know what those are. But no, I didn't give it a try, but it's all right, eh? You can find some good free ones. You just gotta look for them for Ninja. Upper wick, lower wick, yeah. Yeah, we were just looking at a new style. Where is it here? Let's just take a look here. What do I have going on? Yeah, so I found this thing. It's called Simple Market Metrics, and if for coffee there, because I was talking to Holly about it, and I just bought it because it was just interesting. It was like $100, and basically it uses Heiken-Ashi, and it uses, well, he calls it a profit wave, which is just basically some moving averages. Invalid symbol. Well, I don't know what's going on with my trading view. Invalid symbol. MNQ1? How could that be invalid? Well, I don't know. Anyways. Yeah. Yeah, I usually just choose the one from the list. Just give me a sec. This matrix. There's one other box. Oh, here we go. That you can turn on. You actually might find it interesting. Coffee, because when you buy it, it's not like not like you do where it gives you access. Probably he just sends you the raw code and you paste it in PineScript, and then yeah, so you get access to the raw code. Even I can show you. How do I even get to it? Pine editor, and it like gives you signals. Yeah, there. Oh yeah, yeah. So, anyways, yeah. So they've got like this money flow at the bottom. I think it's like on Ninja, it's called like the Chalkin money flow, and then yeah, this is like the indicator that I bought or whatever it is. Yeah, pull it up. You might find it interesting. I don't know. Yeah, so it's got like basically yeah, it's like a moving average ribbon or whatever. And then at the bottom, these are different time frames. It'll tell you in the box too. So the 1 minute, the 2 minute, the 5 minute. You know what I mean? Like, and then it shows you the money flow at the bottom, and it gives you like signals, and you can change the signals a little bit. Like you can do like a chop filter on and off, or a moving average filter, and it's super interesting. So yeah, that's what I'm just working on it. I found some guy that modified the code to change it up a little bit. So what he does is he'll take two time frames, like the 1 minute and the 2 minute. And when he gets a buy signal on the 1 minute, he'll wait for one to show up on the 2 minute as well, and then take that with like what I forget what, like a 15-point target or like a 20-point stop, or I don't know, something like that. So yeah, so that's all we're Holly and I were talking about it. So it's actually pretty for $100. It's all right, and you get the he just gives you the code too, so you can see like chop sensitivity or whatever you want for the code. Changing shit up. So I'll give you the code. Yeah, it's just trading view thing. So, yeah, because Holly was asking me if I did bar replay, and I was like, well, they won't let you do it with Heiken-Ashi on trading view. If you try to do bar replay with the candle style, they won't let you do it. Because I know Heiken-Ashi, it's not really like when you look at it, it's not the true open and close. There, have you used Heiken-Ashi much? Yeah, yeah. So it just takes an average of the last. No. Yeah. Yeah, it shows you the trend a little better than time based sometimes. But the open, it just opens like in the middle of the last candle. It's not a real when you look at the candle. But this, it's got little white dots. EMA. So this is, I think it's like a. That starts with like an for the profit wave. It's like an 8, a 14, and a 50. It's in the code. I'd have to look. Something like that. And then there's, I forget what else there is, but yeah, it kind of just tells you like different time frames and whatever. Like with the background of the profit wave and the money flow is on each time frame. So I don't know, just been playing around with it. I mean, actually, that's a good idea. So have you played around with it, Holy? What do you think? Your risk reward? Yeah, there's a bunch of ways to use it. Yeah, there's a bunch of back testing stuff. There's a guy named Jay who does that like a couple different time frames. And yeah, so I'm just playing with it. There's like you can just take the signals, you can have the moving average filter on and off, so it's set to 200. So if like you're below the 200, it'll only give you short signals. If you're above the 200 moving average, it'll only give you long signals. So yeah, there's a 100, but I seen one guy do testing where he said that the win rate is less without the filter on, but overall you get more trades and you get more profit by the end of the month or whatever without the moving average filter on. But it's less accurate. So yeah, I don't know. There's just things to test out. But I think, I mean, if somebody could figure it out and put some time into it, I think it's something that this this system I got here, this simple market metrics thing. Yeah, I think if somebody put time, yeah, I'm still on the trading view. I just moved it down because um, the screen that I stream on's up top, so I don't want to look all the way up there. Oh, they have that deal right now. Yeah, yeah, yeah. That's what you got to do. And you just go in like a madman and you just go pass a bunch of them. And, well, you fail a bunch, but you pass some. Yeah, well, yeah, I can have two more. I got 18, so they'll let me have two more. Yeah, I just don't know about other prop firms enough. I know there's other good ones too, but yeah, I just like the idea of having lots of accounts and just trading smaller. Well, yeah, yeah, you can't. Yeah, and the other thing is like if you're trying to backtest these signals, TradingView only let you go back like two weeks or something, and then these buy and sell signals won't even print anymore. So yeah, so it kind of. I wonder if you can. Like I tried going. If you press like Alt G, it'll let you jump to a time frame or select a slotted kind of time frame. So I tried that. I tried to just to choose like 2 weeks in January or 2 weeks in December, but it still wouldn't load like these buy and sell signals. It's too far back. So I don't. It's kind of like I'm surprised. And that's in the settings. 900. Okay. Well, no shit. It's showing me on the bottom, anyways. Like, because you can get the signals to pop up on the bottom too. Same thing, but well, it's got me back to The 28th of January. But even the signals on the bottom are fine. And it'll give you the profit target anyways, but not that you need it, but yeah. Okay. Hey, that ain't bad. Will the labels load on the chart or not? Not really. They'll just load at the bottom maybe. How did you learn that? How did you learn that? You're a TradingView expert, eh? Look at that. 900. Can I do 1,000? One million profit target lines. Hey, well that's better. It doesn't show up on the chart, but it shows up on the bottom on that I guess they call it the chop filter. I don't know, but so are you playing around with it now, Holy? Yeah. Oh, okay. Yeah, yeah, yeah. No, I spent some time playing with it too. It's interesting. Yeah. Instruments. I think NQ obviously. Some guys do the ES, but the only other one that seems all right so far that I've found is gold. It seems to be all right. Yeah. Yeah, well, one thing I've found testing strategies and stuff, something that I like is when you like to test, how do I say it? Having lots of time in between trades, I think, is beneficial. So some people they'll say, "Oh, well, they try to get 10 trades in a day and this and that." But I think giving the markets time to cycle through, like this week, it's a short week, it's FOMC, it might be a little bit of a choppy week. If you try to jam like 100 trades in every single week, and there's a week where the price action, or a month where the price action isn't so good, it it can really hurt you. But I've found that if like make a strategy that maybe you only get a couple trades a week, or it takes a long time before your next trades, a long enough time to give the market to change its ways or to move on. I find sometimes that works better. So I've, um, you know, just something that I've found. Not all the time, obviously, but so many people just want to trade 1,000 trades every day and get their money back after they lose. But I've found I've played with some strategies where it's like maybe 2, 3 trades a week, or maybe if that, couple 10, 15 a month. But it gives you get a loss, but then it gives you lots of time for the market to, change its ways. So sometimes I like that. So that's why. Yeah. Yeah. Oh yeah. That's all right. Yeah. I mean, that's the way it goes. I found another guy where he does it calls it like an alignment. So basically the signal will come up on the 1 minute chart, and then he looks for it to come up within that 2 minute candle on the 2 minute chart. And if the 2 minute gets a signal as well, and both of them are over the 100, they're over the 200, and they're over VWAP, then he takes the trade. And yeah, I mean, super good. There was like basically, I think, no losses in November, one in December, but he's getting maybe 3 to 5 trades a week. So you might go. Well, it was 100% for a while, like, cause he started testing it back in October, I think, but and then yeah, it's like an 85% win or something like that. But here's the thing. Oh, 2 to 1. So the losses are twice as big as the wins. So he's doing 60 tick loss. Sorry, 60 tick win, 120 loss. So it's a bad risk reward. Yeah. Yeah, and so far it's around 85, 90%. So I mean the numbers do work out. Yeah. But it'll basically be like I've tested a little bit and I've seen like 3 trades in a week or something, or four, and you get like one loss and 2 wins, and then your whole week's just basically flat. So it's not exciting, but it's kind of more of like a longer term thing. So you think over the course of like maybe 2 or 3 months, it'll work out fine. But yeah, bad risk reward, but a high win rate too. Like, you're automatically at a 2 to 1. You're automatically, if we go back to that theory that the markets are perfect, you're automatically got a 75% chance win rate at a when your targets are half the size of your loss. So basically, you should be able to just close your eyes and click anywhere and win 75% of the time. So if you add a little bit of an edge to that, or is it 75? Maybe I'm a little bit off. You said 66% you got to win to break even at a 2 to 1. Yeah. Yeah, I'm not gonna think that hard about it. I don't know, but long story short, you should have a higher win rate just blindly, but you got to watch out for them losses. For the one I'm talking about, yeah, it's basically right at 9:30. So as soon as the market opens, 9:30 till I think noon. But then he was saying just one trade a day. So you just take the first valid trade and no more. Yeah, so I'm looking at it. I'll work on it a little bit more later, just for fun. A side business. Side hustle, yeah. No, cause why? Yeah, yeah. It's your side hustle. Work on your side hustle till it becomes your main hustle. Jeez. I hope this GC and the CL trade don't work out. Good. No rock stars. I hate seeing trades work out after I'm done. I get my 3 losses and then the next 5 trades are winners. It's like, oh god. Yeah. Well, I mean, there's days where it's more likely that, when I get those losses, I have looked and it's like it's just one of those days where it's not going to work. The strategy is just not going to work for my regular trading. So, I mean, I'm happy that I stop. I know it's the right thing to do, but not some days you just get your 3 losses and then everything else wins and you're like shit. But or you get those other days where I sometimes just get 3 wins right off the bat and then the rest of the day is shit. And I'm like, oh, glad I got out of that. Yeah. Fuck. Oh, there's a rock star on the GC. Look at that. Momentum, overbought, pullback alert, speed tick, rock star, divergences. That's a nice trade. That's a nice trade. I would take that all day. Where's the open? 5. 26.9 is where my target would be. That's where my stop would be. Huh. I don't know if gold will come down here. Oh, now it's starting to... We're starting to go negative on the delta now. Yeah, no, it's probably going to... Yeah, for sure it's going to come down now. It'll probably come down to here. Yeah. Beautiful trade. Holy cowboy. Yeah. Piece of crap. Stupid trading. I don't know why I do this. Oh, God. Oh, I don't know why. I should just go work at the grocery store and pack bags or something. No. I'd rather starve. I'd rather be homeless and starve with a laptop and trading view than go pack bags at a grocery store. I'd have to move south, though, because it's cold here. So it's hard to be homeless in the winter up here, but down south, no problem. Yeah. What do you think about that? Yeah. Yeah, that's a hard one, just doing the background. I think that's too, like, I don't know. I just don't think it's really a smart way to trade. And like how many of them are you gonna take and what time, and the problem is once the background changes to the other color, now it's had to like go up, make a top or a bottom, and it's got to retrace and come back. And if you look, a lot of the times by the time it comes back and the background switches to the other one, you're usually not too far from where you entered. I guess maybe it depends on the time of day too, but you could hit huge trends as well. I don't know. Oh, that's so hard. I don't know. I think yeah. Um, I don't know if I don't think I'd want to risk money on just a background change. But yesterday would have been good. You're gonna hit. Here's the thing: you're not gonna miss the big moves. You're gonna get a good chunk of all the big moves if you just do the background change. If the market's gonna rip, I mean, you're gonna be in it. You're not gonna miss it. But when the market's just flowing a little bit and not ripping, you're basically gonna get in and get out where same spot or worse. So it's kind of like, yeah, that would be like more like a trend trading kind of strategy where you're basically going to have to get chopped up here and there to hit those big winners to cover. So I don't know. Well, you call up Trump and get him to send out some tweets, and then we'll go in, get the market ripping, you know? Yeah. What, the background change? Yeah, like I said, it's like when the market's, if it is choppy and you're going to try to do 50 trades a day, well, you're just going to get chopped up all day. But if you just try to take a couple trades a week, at least if there's like a month or two that the markets are shit, well, you're not. Yeah, yeah, and I've thought about that. Net three, net two. Or what you do is you just make up some shitty strategy and then just, yeah, just find something that doesn't work and then just go the opposite side of it. So, if the color change doesn't, if it doesn't work and it always messes you up, then just go the opposite. So go short when it's green and go long when it's red, and then that's what I say. People are like, oh, well, RSI, crossover, blah, 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 trend lines or whatever. None of that works. So if it doesn't work, just do the opposite and then it'll work, no? Yeah, trend line breaks don't work. Okay, well then I'm going to go the opposite of that. And they'll be like, oh, that doesn't work either. Did you? What'd you get? Oh, nice. Okay, I gotta get some coffee and tinkle. I'll be back in a bit here. Gold really come down there, didn't it? Big one. Yeah, it did. It came. That's the signal's gone now, but that's where we're looking at it. But it did. It would have probably had that bullshit there. But yeah, it ended up. I thought it would come down to about here. That's about where. I didn't expect this much of a turnaround, but yeah, just one of those trades. I'm not getting that price action at 5 in the morning these days. Well, this week, anyways. No, it's 7:30 in the morning, New York time. I started. No, here it's 5. Yeah, it's 5. Oh shit. I think it's supposed to be warm today. Well, the last couple nights were minus 43, so today, yeah, it's minus 32 Celsius. Feels like minus 39 Celsius. Extreme cold warning. Yeah. The office is nice and warm. The computer and everything keeps it warm. Yeah, that's not bad. How come it's so warm there? Aren't we in the same? Aren't we pretty close to the same like place on? What do they call it? Longitude, latitude, latitude. Yeah. I might be a little bit higher on latitude now. Back in Ontario, I was lower. But you know what's cool about being more north? So I'll tell you what's cool about living more north because I moved north recently. So I was living more southern and like near Toronto, and then I moved out west, and I'm a little bit north, more northern. And in the summer, it starts to get light out at like 5 a.m. and the sun don't go down till like after 10 p.m. Really long days in the summer. Yeah, it's the opposite. Yeah, so about 3:30 in the afternoon, and the right in the like the peak of the winter solstice. Yeah, about 3:30, the sun's like, all right, we're making our way down, and by about at the latest 4, it's gone, quarter to 4. So yeah, I'm probably yeah. And obviously, the more further north you go, the more if you're at closer to the North Pole, the sun doesn't even go down in the summer. But yeah, so the more north you go, the more true it is. All right, here. Yeah, yeah, it's like basically it's close to 12, 12 all year round, eh? 12, 12 day. It's closer to 12 hours daylight, 12 hours night. It's closer to that all year round. somehow. Okay, yeah. No, yeah. Yeah, you know what's funny? I think Google follows me around, eh? It knows everything because so something I like to do just to like I don't know, relax is I like to go on YouTube and I find it's usually like videos from a drone of places around the world and then it just has music and they're usually like an hour or two long and that's all it is. I'll just put it up on one of my screens and then, it's just like an aerial view of, any place in the world. And lately it's been bringing up all these places from Greece, like Crete, where Crete is, that island? And a bunch of islands. I'm like, where is this place? It's nice. I look at it and I'm like, oh, it's Crete. It was a suggested video for me. And I think because I went on Google Earth and I was looking at Greece there with you the one day, and now it's just YouTube's just suggesting me all these videos and stuff of places. But yeah, it's nice. Crete's really nice. I'd like to go there. I'm honestly nervous to go to that part of the world. I probably shouldn't be, but I don't know. To go other places? You're nervous to go other places in the world? Oh, yeah. I don't know about like the wars or how it is. There's that I don't know. I just don't know. Canada's fine. I mean, you're safe. There's no problems here. You know. Yeah, there's all those places nearby. Yeah, I guess. I don't know. I'm just from the west. Yeah. Yeah, that's true. Yeah. Yeah, so I guess I'm nervous to go to that part of the world. And then there's that ocean there. I don't know if there's pirates there on that. What's that sea that you're at? The water. What's it called? Is there pirates there that are gonna come up on a boat and come to the island and try to kill you? Somebody. Yeah, those guys are crazy, eh? I see them like sometimes I see videos with like the cargo ships, you know, the big ships in the ocean, and the pirates will come up in a boat, and the guys are like, "No, leave," and they got like guns, and the guys are like, "Oh, la, 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 and the guys are like, "No, get out of here," and then they just keep coming, and then they just friggin' shoot them, blow their boat up, blow their stupid little dinghy up, and sink them, and then they all die. What are these guys doing? They're nuts. Oh no, so it's pretty safe there, eh? Yeah. No, there's a good signal on the MNQ right now for that smart money metrics or whatever it is. Simple. Yeah, because the 1 minute had one on the NQ. The 1 minute had a signal. Now a couple minutes later, the 2 minute chart got it, and it's almost at a 60 tick target. It's probably gonna hit it. There's probably no doubt. Yeah, or NQ should be the same. Well, 2 minute was the signal, but I was looking at the 1 minute first, and there was one on the 1 minute because I kind of looking at doing like an alignment strategy where you have two signals on two different time frames at the same time. Kind of, it didn't show. Oh no, NQ. Oh wow, I don't know. Oh, I don't know. I'll show you. I'll just put it on screen share for you. You see it? But then it wasn't really a proper alignment set up because normally this is a 2 minute candle, so there's two 1 minute candles per 2 minute candle, obviously. So there's if you go to the 1 minute time frame, the strategy I'm looking at, the idea is that one of the two candles on the 1 minute time frame should have a buy signal on it. And then once you see that, then you look at the 2 minute. I should just do, I don't know why I'm on coffee. I should just do that and make it easier. Holy shit. Well, trading is so annoying sometimes. But yeah, then you go to the 2 minute and you see the buy signal there. But I don't know if it happened at the right time. I should check. 706. So let's see here. So it should be 706. So on the 1 minute, on the 706 candle, you got the buy, and then you go over to the 2 minute, and you got the same thing. And wow, you might want to get in on a pullback. It was darn close to that 60 tick target. I wouldn't trade this time of day anyways, but What table? Like at the top, there's you can just choose the time frame, right? Yeah, I don't. I'm not sure exactly.